Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have a multitude of different fuses. These are all different car fuses. My van is currently in the shop, but let me show you all what I have here in these. Here we have, it looks like we're gonna have the two different sizes, which is nice. So we have these big ones here and it'll say 10, so that's 10, 10 amp fuse on that one. We've got various ones here. Oh, it says it on here, I guess. We have all the different, we have 2 amp, 3 amp, 5, 7. We have pretty much every type of fuse you want. And then we have the wide ones and we have the little mini ones here. Like if you can see those little mini ones like this, if you've got that size. And even these ones with the points like that. So there's just the variety of sizes. Don't have a million of each one, but you got enough to keep you going. So this is always a good thing to have. So this is going in my permanent toolkit that I keep with me. So if any type of fuse goes out, like in my camper, I have different fuses than I have in the front of the engine. So it's just different ones are all over the different board. So these are great. You just pull out the old one, put in a new one. It doesn't come with a little puller tool, I guess, but little needle nose pliers and you're good to go. So totally awesome. Thumbs up on this.